Now you get this suit, which looks like it was made by the blind devil himself, and I don't want to touch it.
Alright, I can see that I will have to teach you how to be villains. Now listen closely. Here's a little lesson in trickery. This is going down in history. If you want to be a villain #1, you have to chase a superhero on the run.
Nice, Ron.
I sneezed. Oh, I'm not allowed to sneeze.
I'm not that smart. Guess what? You know what? Guess what? I have a gentle personality, which you'll all agree is anathema to my more aggressive family. Everyone keeps swatting.
Dumb kid.
Everyone keeps yelling.
Dumb kid!
And they have no arms or legs.
No, that's not part of it.
Where are they? You know what? If we come across somebody with no arms or legs, do we bother resuscitating them? I mean, what kind of quality of life do we have there?
I would want to live with no legs.
How about no arms? No arms or legs is basically how you exist right now, Kevin. You don't do anything.
Wow, UT really came in handy. Wow, UT really came in handy. Really came in handy. Handy.
Picture, smile for the picture. Pose with your brother, won't you be a good sister? Everyone thinks that we're perfect. Please don't let them look through the curtains. C-O-L-L-H-O-U-S-E. I see things that nobody else sees.
Won't race you ever, man. Your whole approach, your face, this whole rig right here. This all just rubs me the wrong way. Here we go. I don't care. Fine! I'll pay you $1 million.
Snap my fingers. You will obey our every command. You are now the amazing Captain Underpants!
Tra-la-la!
I don't get it.
Love your eyes, love your smile, love your funky hair. I love your walk, love your talk, and the things you did.
Sounds like you need a celebrity lullaby.
A what?
A celebrity lullaby. That's when an unbelievably famous person comes over and sings to you.
Oh boy, Elmo loves a celebrity lullaby.
Excellent.
What famous person is going to sing to Elmo?
What do you mean, what famous person is going to sing to you?
What, is it Brad Pitt? Elmo loves Brad Pitt.
No, it's not Brad Pitt. It's Ricky Gervais.
Oh, Mr. Ricky Gervais.
Yeah, that's me.
Is Mr. Ricky Gervais a celebrity?
What do you mean? Well, of course I am. Would celebrity lullabies hire me if I wasn't a...
You're so beautiful.
It's only because I'm so in love.
Well, someone clearly likes One Piece. You like One Piece much? Wow. Are you all detectives? Because if not, you should really consider becoming detectives, because nothing gets past your brilliant deductive reasoning.
About the time she walked away from me. Nobody likes you when you're 23. And I saw more of use my TV shows. What the hell is ADD? My friends say I should act my age. What's my age again? What's my age again?
Okay, well, I think that's all the jokes that I had planned. Oh, no, wait, how could I forget? It just wouldn't be a crack video without this one.